To understand what Pythagorean triplets are, a simple definition. Okay, integers that satisfy a square plus b square is equal to c square, right? And remember, guys, no triplet, okay, no Pythagorean triplet which start with integers 1 and 2, because आगे जाके हम देखने वाले हैं, okay, 1 and 2 form a triplet, 1 is to root 3 is to 2. That happens in a 30, 60, 90 triangle, okay? So what are triplets? Integers that satisfy c square is equal to a square plus b square, right? And no triplet will be formed with integers 1 and 2, okay? So starting with integers 3, then 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, so on, will form triplets, okay? So guys, you can form two kinds of triplets always. Odd triplets, पहले हम लोग odd triplets के बारे में बात करेंगे. Okay, odd triplets will be designed or derived from odd numbers. Okay, so 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay, 1 का हम देख चुके हैं, triplet नहीं बनेगा. 1, 2, 3, 2 होता है. So 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay, those are the triplets which are generated or derived from odd numbers. Okay, so how do we derive or we generate triplets from odd numbers? This simple formula, n square by 2, ek kam ek zyada. I'll demonstrate. So let's start with the first odd number, guys. The first odd number we will start with is going to be 3, right? So let's find out 3 square. 3 square is 9. 9 by 2 will be 4.5, right? So guys, 4.5 से एक इंटीजर पहले क्या आता है? 4 आता है, और उसके बाद क्या आता है? 5 आता है. So the first triplet is 3, 4, 5. Next, the next odd number is 5. 5 square by 2 find करेंगे. 5 square is 25 upon 2 is 12.5. एक पहले 12, एक बाद 13. So 5, 12, 13 is the next Pythagorean triplet. Okay, same thing you can try with 7. 7 square is 49. 49 divided by 2 is 24.5. 24.5 से पहले 24 आता है, बाद में 25 आता है. So 7, 24, 25 is the next triplet. Then next, उसके बाद 9, 40, 41, then 11, 60, 61. These are the triplets, and they basically keep on continuing going as such. Okay. Then we go on to the even triplets. Okay, even triplets are slightly similar. The formula is n square by 4. Okay, ek kam ek zyada. Okay, so we start with the first even number, that is 2, but as we saw 2 से triplet नहीं बनेगा. The next even number is 4. So 4 square by 4. 4 square 16 upon 4 is 4. उससे एक पहला integer 3 और एक ज़्यादा 5. So 4, 3, 5 is a triplet. Okay, that's nothing new. It is as good as the first triplet we saw, right? 3, 4, 5 only. So ignore that. Okay, the next triplet is 6, 8, and 10. Okay, you can derive this by taking n equals to 6. 6 square is 36 upon 4 is 9. एक पहले 8, एक बाद में 10. So 6, 8, 10 is the next Pythagorean triplet. Okay, so if you take n as 8 here, 8 square 64 upon 4 is 16. एक कम 15, एक ज़्यादा 17. The next even number you can take is 10, 10, 24, 26. Next is 12, 35, 37, and this is how it keeps on continuing. Okay, so this is how you can generate. You can also take the next triplet 14, 48, and 50. Okay, likewise. Okay, so this is how you can generate Pythagorean triplets, guys. I recommend that. अच्छा, ये तो repeated ही है 4, 35, and 5. Forget it. Okay, इसके अलावा these 9 triplets. Okay, you should know. Okay, you must know. You ought to know. Okay, because this makes solving questions really very, very easy. You'll understand, shortly मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ ये. Okay, and the last thing we need to know about Pythagorean triplets is, guys, the 3, 4, 5 Pythagorean triplet will have in radius of the triangle equal to 1. The 5, 12, 13 and the 6, 8, 10 triplets have the in radius as 2. The 7, 24, 25, 8, 15, 17 are the third triplet you're forming, so in radius is 3. The fourth triplet has in radius 4. The fifth triplet has in radius 5, so on and so forth. Okay, don't worry, we are going to discuss this in detail. Okay, in radius ऐसा क्यों होता है इनका? But right now, just take this question, take this table on face value. Remember this table, by heart this table if you can. Okay, by looking at it daily. Okay, and that will be really very, very helpful. Okay, we'll see now in the upcoming parts. Why do I insist?